Kamusta guys? Welcome back to your channel and welcome to another episode of Katalks. Here in Katalks, we test unconventional beauty products and beauty hacks. So for today's video, we are testing out an unconventional beauty product. Ta-da! Eyebrow Skin Printing Perfect Brows. If you wanna know kung talagang magiging perfect siya for you, for me, at para sa lahat na nag-struggle sa kanilang mga kilay, then please keep on watching. I am guessing na nung ginawa ni Eyebrow Skin itong product na to, iniisip niya yung problem. Lahat naman ng inventions nanggaling yan sa problema. Yes. And nakahanap si Eyebrow Skin ng problem, which is yung ang tagal ng girls mag-drawing ng eyebrow sa kanilang mga kilay. So, I am guessing na ginawa niya to in order to solve that. Just not sure about the... You know what? I'm gonna search it now. Eyebrow Skin Eyebrow Stamp. Search ko lang kung magkano ito. Okay, meron siya sa Lazada, meron sa Shopee, and meron sa... Ayan, meron sa Shopee. Alam mo, usong-uso yung Shopee recently. Okay, Shopee, ayan. Same product. Okay. Light brown, dark brown, and it's for 80 pesos. 80 pesos lang pala to. It comes with 2 eyebrow stamps and your eyebrow powder and a mirror. And 80 pesos for 5.5 grams. Whew. Ayan, binura ko muna ang aking mga kilay. Okay, I'll swatch it first. Sa hands ko. Doesn't look bad, right? Yan lang siya. Simple lang. Here I go. I'll stamp this. Yan. So, I'm just making sure na lahat ng product nasa lahat ng product na common. Yan. Okay, so, anong side ba to? Here. Okay. So, okay, let's do this. Baka hindi lang yan ako. Hindi na natin yung dulo. Ayan na siya. Oh well. Let's try the other side. Okay. Let's do it again. Side. I don't know kung hindi lang talaga ako marunong mag-stab. That one didn't look bad. Okay, wait. Let's do this again. I'm scared. Walang kailangan. Perfect na agad yun. Ganyan yata talaga yung shape niya. Anyway, you just have to dab ng sobrang daming beses. Ay, ganyan ang daming beses. What do you think? Parang okay din, ano? Let's try if I could clean up the stamps using concealer. let's try and see if we can save the day. Actually, binubura ko lang yung mali or out of line. So, linisin ko lang to off-cam and I'll be back. There. Not bad actually nung nilinis na. Pero kanina, alam niyo naman. Yeah. Alam ko na mahirap kasi talagang magkilay. Pag nagbe-makeup, yan yung pinaka-importante at pinaka-matagal na step na ginagawa ko sa sarili ko when I do my makeup. Dahil wala akong kilay. Wala talaga. Nakita niyo naman siguro kanina. Wala talaga. Ayun. So, let's talk. What is the verdict? Sorry, pero I think you should just save your money and don't buy this. Kasi, the time it took for me, stamp, clean, and once nagkamali ka ng angulo ng pag-stamp mo, i-delete mo rin eh. I mean, uulit ka ulit. So, for me, not worth your time, not worth your money. Sorry, but it's a miss for me. Mas pipiliin kong mag-drawing na lang ng aking mga kilay kesa i-adjust yung kilay ko para dito. Okay? But, okay, 80 pesos lang naman siya. So, if you want to experiment or, you know, just try it, go ahead if you want to. I'll leave the link down below kung saan mo siya pwedeng mabili. So that's it for Katalks. So I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it as much as I did not enjoy doing my brows today. Like this video if this was helpful enough for you, and comment down below kung meron ka pang suggestions that you want us to film or you want us to try before you try it or buy it or whatever. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's here. It's here. Follow us on our social media accounts. Our Facebook is /drugqueens12 and our Instagram is @drug.queens. Ayan. I'll see you again next month for another unconventional cat talks. So goodbye for now and I'll see you again. Bye! Once you, so yeah. Share it there.